Tara na. Tara na.
Hello, today we're gonna go to the swimming pool sa Tower 2. With Lola, and with my sister, and with Ate Ann. And si Lola din.
Lolo! Ikaw yung mag-ano ang vlogger
And we're gonna just wait for the elevator.
Hi guys! We're going now on the swimming pool at the
Today,
Tower 2. Yan.
pool number 37!
Maliligo kami rin.
37. Baby, baby!
Hi guys, we're going to the swimming pool.
Ang red ng lips niyo, para siyang naka-lipstick.
Mura siya po. Gani, abigyan ako ng lipstick siya. Oops!
Ano to, night swimming na to, hindi na to ano eh.
Hindi na to day. Because...
Tonight, it's
40 days.
40!
Kaya mga vlogger ka. So guys, we are here now at the top of the...
For today's video. So, ano?
For today's video.
40 days video.
For today's video,
We're going upstairs.
we're gonna go to the swimming pool. Not 14 days. Wait lang!
Ang usay pa ko umabong. Kana, bibi. Ay, gagwapa. Gaga ka pala din. Mga picture ko yung gani.
Let's go!
Lipian! Hello, lamig siguro to. Lamig nga. Pwede ko dyan na yun. Chloe!
Hi, we're here taking a shower. Sally. Carry off.
Ate. Ate. You want to swim? Huh? Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Can you just wait
Bye-bye.
Only her feet?
Ano yun?
What her feet lang?
Okay.
Olivia.
Olivia.
Wait, put the
Uy, hala, don't push me.
put the video on me. Me. We're gonna go jump a splash.
Okay, go.
The what? That was good. Fantastic. Yeah.
Mura, gitsud na ko lipstick, ay. Ano kayo yung lip? Unsa mo na? Snow White ka ba? Are you Snow White? Ano tingin niya sa lola niya? Yeah.
At then we can do a hot bath after this.
What?
Let's go! Yan na.
At then we can do that again.
Let's go na.
Show me that. Which one's my slipper?
Hindi, pagtapos
Baka pwede po kami makipato.
Tapos na po kami. Salamat. Sige po. Hello po, vlogger. Kailangan ko guys. Tayo Hi guys. Tingnan tayo pareha. Bye-bye. Ha? Nauna na siya. Walang naiwan doon?
Ano din? Diyan na. Nakainom sila. Mamaya lang. Hi bro, it's time for you to...
Walang naiwan.
Saan tayo? Sa ground? Hindi ba tayo shortcut din?
Uy, so?
Shortcut agad. Ayaw na din. Sorry, mo ito parkingan?
4.
So guys, this is the end of the video. If you want to see us again, just go at Saturday. At Saturday, we're gonna go swimming again.